Hello everybody, welcome to Tobys channel. My name is Abid, CEO company Mr. Tobys and Mr. Azmat also here. Today introduce new model TY series. Mr. Tobys also here. Introduce TY series.
Okay, let's start. Let's start our TY series. Our TY series have 5 models from 60 watt. From 60 watt to 80 watt, come to 100 watt, come to 120 watt, and 150 watt. Totally 5 models for TY series. Today we are focused on our TY 100. Okay, today we are focused on TY 100 model. Our special packing. Okay, after open, inside I have these different parts. I have one set of gloves, and this is the real products. Okay, this is the real products. So let's come closer and to see our products details. So first, let me see our driver. Okay, you can see the driver design is totally different with market and with the logo, with Tobys logo, and very nice logo here, and design also give you the feeling is very strong quality. So the keyboards, we choose the best keyboard than the market. Okay, when you touch it, you will see the difference with the market products. Then last part, come to our LED body. LED body, you can see very clearly one Tobys logo in the mood. It's very professional logo. We have laser professional. This is the professional products. Okay, this is the chip, and from the design, you can see from the design of the products. Okay, you can see this is unique products. Okay, not available in the market. You can see in the world, not available. Okay, special products. And qualities, we give 2 years warranty. This product is designed for 3 to 5 years using, and we give 2 years warranty for these products. Okay, so the fan, the driver, and inside LED, we use the first class of the materials. Okay, and the inside have 2 copper inside, but you cannot see from outside. The base is the Tobys logo here. Okay, so you can see this is original Tobys products. Then how is the quality, how we think we make a design for these products. Okay, so these products actually like 6 months to make design. After we testing these products using our 3 months, testing high temperature, low temperature, and finally for production, it takes around like 3 months before production. First small production to check the quality, everything is ready. So in the end of 2023, we start pushing these products to the market. Already takes 1 year from a design to quantity production to make sure that these products don't have any quality issues. And right now we're selling around like 3 months of these products. Okay, and the feedback from customer side, from market side, and we don't receive any damage of this model. Okay, so you can relax to buy and to sell. So the target of these products as TY series, and you can see like TY series is like our in Tobys products line is the second line from middle up, but not top one. You can see it's top two line. Okay, in your company buy these products, you make OEM order for your brand. So we suggest that you make for your high class brand. Okay, or in the same brand in the high class level. In Tobys level, this is like middle, upper middle level products. Thank you very much for watching.
Okay, thanks for introduce our TY models also. This model also very famous in our world also.